Kids' YouTube channels are exploding right now. Here's how you can join. People are making money with nursery rhyme videos. Here's exactly how you can start. You won't believe how easy it is to create kids' videos in 2026. One prompt equals full nursery rhyme video. Let me show you how. Stay till the end. You'll have your own kids' video ready today. The exact prompts I used are available on my WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Check the description and join now. Feel free to join. Step 1. Setting up your YouTube channel. Let's start with the bonus. Creating your YouTube channel. If you already have one, you can skip this part, but I still recommend watching. You might pick up a few useful tips. First, make sure you have a Gmail account. New or old, both work fine. Go to youtube.com, sign in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. If you already have a name, great. But if not, use this simple method that I'll teach you in this video. For creating a channel, I have a prompt. First, we will decide the name of the channel. For this, I will copy the prompt and paste it into Grok AI. As soon as I hit enter, it will give us 15 unique name ideas for a YouTube channel focused on nursery rhymes and kids' songs. Pick your favorite name. For example, I'll go with Tiny Tales and Tunes and head back to YouTube. Paste it in, click Create Channel, and that's it. Your new YouTube channel is live and ready to go. Now we need a channel description. You also need a strong SEO-friendly description so parents can easily find your content. Copy the channel description prompt and paste it into Grok. Enter your channel name, hit enter, and it will generate a short, keyword-rich description using popular kids search terms. Copy the result, go to YouTube Studio Arrow Customize channel, scroll down, paste it into the description box and click Publish. That's it. Your channel is now easier to discover. Design a professional logo. Your logo is the first thing people notice. It makes your channel look professional and helps attract more subscribers. Go back to the prompt, copy the channel logo prompt and paste it into Grok. Enter your channel name and generate logo ideas. Once you find something you like, go to Render AI and create a free account. It gives you 40 daily tokens. Click Image, paste your logo idea into the prompt box. Select FluxDev as the AI model, set the aspect ratio to 1:1 and choose 3D model for a polished look. Leave the rest as default and click Generate. Within seconds you'll get professional logo options. If you don't like one, you can regenerate. Pick your favorite, download it, go back to YouTube, click Customize Channel, upload your logo and hit Save. Done. Your channel now looks professional. Create a YouTube banner next. Let's create a banner. You can either copy the banner prompt from Grok or reuse your previous idea. Paste it into Render AI, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click Generate. Download the banner, go back to your YouTube channel, upload it and publish. Your banner will appear at the top of your channel, giving it a clean and professional look. Add SEO keywords. The final step is adding SEO keyword tags. These help YouTube understand your content and show it to the right audience. Copy the keyword prompt, paste it into Grok, enter your channel name and hit enter. Copy the generated keywords and go to YouTube, Studio Arrow Settings, Arrow Channel, Arrow Keywords, paste them one by one and click Save. And that's it. Your channel is now fully optimized and ready to grow. Step 2. Song idea and lyrics. Alright, let's keep going. Before we jump into the fun part, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Now, the first step in creating viral nursery rhyme content. I have a prompt for this, which you can also find in my WhatsApp or Telegram channel, link in the description. This prompt is divided into 4 parts. 1. Generating song ideas. 2. Developing chosen rhymes. 3. Image generation prompts. 4. Image to video prompts. First, we will generate song ideas. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, then hit enter. It will give you 10 different kids' song ideas. Pick the one you like best, then copy the next prompt and paste it into ChatGPT again, but this time replace the part in brackets with the number of the idea you selected. Press enter and ChatGPT will instantly create the full lyrics for your song. Just like that, you've got your first original nursery rhyme ready to move to the next stage. Step 3. Turning your lyrics into music. Now that your lyrics are ready, it's time to bring them to life. A catchy song that kids will love to sing along to. To get started, open a new tab and head over to Suno AI, then create a free account. Don't worry, the platform is super beginner friendly, so even if this is your first time using it, you'll find your way around easily. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click on Create. This is where the magic begins. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics you generated earlier and paste them into Suno's lyrics prompt box. Below that, you'll see a section for style. This is where you tell Suno what kind of song you want. For this project, simply type children's nursery rhymes, playful, fun, and sing-along. Then choose your vocal gender, enter your song title, and hit Create. In just a few moments, Suno will process your lyrics and generate 2 different versions of your song. Listen to both, compare them, and download the one you like best.
Sun shines with golden light. Stretch and yawn, yawn, yawn. Daytime starts with a happy song. Birds go chirp, chirp in the tree. Buzzing bees say zee, zee, zee. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sun says hello, rise and greet. Sun goes down, moon says hi. Twinkle, twinkle in the sky. Wave goodbye, then wave hello. Wave round and round. Up in the sky so big and bright. Up in the sky so big and bright. Sleepy sun shines with golden light. Stretch and yawn.
The quality is so good, you might even have a hard time choosing. And that's it. You now have a complete kid song with vocals, instruments, rhythm, everything, without stepping into a studio. Step 4. Generating the images. Now that your song is ready, it's time to bring it to life visually. In this step, we'll create images that match the chorus and verses of your song, turning your lyrics into colorful, story-driven scenes kids will love. Copy the image generation prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. Type the name of your song and hit enter. Within seconds, it will generate detailed image prompts for each part of your song, including the chorus and every verse. Once you've got your prompts, open a new tab and go to Google Flow. Click on New Project. This interface will appear. From here, select Image, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube long videos, and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into the prompt box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, Google Flow will create beautiful images from your prompt. Pick one and download it. Then repeat the same steps for your second, third and remaining scene prompts. By the end, you'll have a complete set of visuals ready. Step 5. Turning images into video. Alright, now that all our images are ready, it's time to bring them to life, turning everything into a fun, engaging video that kids will love. For this step, we'll use the image to video prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then type the name of your song and hit enter. It will generate all the image to video prompts for your scenes. Now open Meta AI in a new tab. Click on Create Video, upload your first image, then copy the Scene 1 prompt and paste it below. After processing, click Animate. Within seconds, it will generate your video. Repeat this process for every scene. Once all videos are generated, we move to the final step, editing. Now that your nursery rhyme is complete and all your animated scenes are ready, it's time to combine everything into one smooth finished video. For editing, we'll use Adobe Premiere, a powerful tool that makes this process simple. Here's how to do it. Open Adobe Premiere and start a new project. Import all your generated video scenes. Drag each scene onto the timeline in the correct order. Next, drag and drop your audio track onto the audio timeline and align each scene with the matching part of the song. Once everything looks perfect, click Export. And that's it. You've just created your very own nursery rhyme video completely from scratch without a studio or expensive equipment. All you used was smart AI tools. Try creating your own versions. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Also, don't forget to check out my Telegram or WhatsApp channel to grab the exact prompts I used so you can follow along or customize your own creations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what kind of kids video you plan to create next. Thanks for watching and happy creating!